Thanks for coming by again to our channel, and make sure you hit like and subscribe if you happen to like this video. And I'll tell you right now, in my opinion, today's topic, it's vital to you having some long-term success in trading. And you know, when you jump on a stock like AMC, for example, that doesn't make you a trader. It's the hundreds of hours where you are consistent in what you're doing. And that's actually going to include how you measure your results. So let me ask, are you using a trading journal? And if you are you just logging your trades, or you're also talking about your mental condition? And if you're not, you should be. You know, a lot of traders that are successful in this business long term, they're going to talk to you how important it is to keep a trading journal spreadsheet. You know, when we're trading at home, we are our own boss. And as our own boss, as a trader, some things are going to slide. And from our experience at NetPicks, generally it's the use of a trading journal. But here's the thing. What is measured can be improved, right? So if you're not keeping a journal and you're not seeing some results that you're proud of, I think it's time to step up your game. And even if you do have a log and you do have a journal, are you using it to the full potential? Now I got to start with the basics. So what is a trading journal? All it is, it's a document where you're going to record every single thing you do as a trader. It records everything from your strategy, how you developed it, all the way to your risk management when you're placing trades. And if you use it correctly, it's very effective. You know, times have changed where you just bring out a piece of paper and jot down your trade entry and exit price and then calculate your P&L. That was more just a trading log. Let's be honest, some information is better than no information, but nothing is going to beat the valuable information that you can get in today's world, right? You can get your overall expectancy of your system, your profit factor, your trade expectations, which setups are making you the most money, the best time and the best time of day to trade. All of this information is easily processed, and it lets you know that is that trading strategy you're using and that trading plan, does it have long-term potential? Now, documenting each trade you take, that's crucial. This is an example of an old Excel spreadsheet trading journal that was used, and what it looked like before, obviously, because things have got a little bit more high-tech. You can see it gives a lot of information, a lot more than just a simplistic reward to risk ratio. That information is there as well. So all we did was import the various trade details into the first page of the spreadsheet, and Excel did all the important calculations. So from this stage, you can actually track every detail and make improvements on a bunch of variables in your trading plan. You got the type of setup, how you exited the trade, the direction, the entry exit times of each trade. This decision-making process, that can really only be done by using a trade journal, because it also does all the intricate calculations for you. Now, using these types of journals and these logs, I personally think takes the hard work out of keeping your trading history. Now, you can download this trading journal template. I stuck the link below. And while you do want to include all the details about the trade, writing in it should go a lot further. You can actually use it as a self-help guide. You know, how are you feeling when you placed the trade? Did you exit according to your trading plan? If not, why didn't you? You know, what thoughts were going through your mind when the trade was underwater? So you can use that trading journal to evaluate the execution of your trading plan. That type of information, right? It's going to help you zero in on mental issues in trading because they're huge, right? And those issues can harm your overall trading results. There's a few really good books out there that talk about, you know, the thought process and your mindset when you're trading. So you should really flip through them. And we all know that there is nothing worse than taking a revenge trade and losing. So write out what triggered you to take that trade, because that can help you avoid that mistake in the future. For me, any trades that were outside of my trading plan were usually a result of a winning trade I cut short, right? Because I was that FOMO, the fear of missing out on the bigger move. But I'll be honest with you, the good thing was I got cured of that after I saw some really great gains just being ripped apart because I took a trade outside of my trading plan. Now, news events, those can really affect the market. And you want to know how the various releases affect your trades. A running log on the various events, how they affect the market, that could give you something to add to your trading plan to deal with these events. All those notes, those can make an impact on your larger term trading goals. For example, let's say you want to know how the market reacts to different holidays throughout the year. Well, then you go back and you document key stats around these holidays. You can track trade volume numbers and the ranges for these sessions. So you can actually go back in time to see what the historical results have been and how it's going to affect your trading. We look at the FOMC releases to scheduled Fed talks. Those can move the market. So knowing the effect that they can have could actually help you profit from them. This is especially true if you're a day trader, because those events can turn a nice green day into a red day. So how do you want to use your trading journal? The list is endless, but the bottom line is you want to make sure you document everything. And hey, that might seem like a lot of work, but it really only takes a few minutes each day. Think about any other business out there. It's important that they track their numbers, so it should be important to you, right? Trading is no different than any other business. Just because we don't have a boss looking over our shoulder, holding us accountable, it doesn't mean that we can get lazy and not track our results in a detailed manner. And the notes that you make on the mental aspects of your trading, this will give you an honest assessment of your performance as a trader. Would you hire yourself to manage money? That's a good question. And like any journal out there, the only way you're going to benefit from it is being consistent. Being consistent and reviewing it on a regular basis. So you can take a day each week or each month, go to the local coffee shop, sit down, have a coffee, review your journal. So you want to take note of areas that are working, areas that are not working, and what kind of adjustments that you can make. Because this is going to actually give you a plan of attack going forward. And if you're not using these steps in your own trading, then I think, and this is my opinion, but you're making a huge mistake. Because I can tell you for myself and for many others I talk to, when you keep a trading journal, it will make a huge difference in your P&L column. Not right away, perhaps, as you get used to it, but over the years, you're going to see a difference. Because I can actually back every single decision I made with stats. Okay, I don't just place a trade, hope for the best. Yeah, does it take time? It does. We talked about this, right? And for a lot of us, time is pretty scarce. But this is one of the most important steps that you can take to become a profitable trader. So I urge you, take that time, go grab a coffee, go sit in the park, do something. Start putting your trading journal together and just start reviewing it.